Deficiencies in particular vitamins can increase the risk of some eye conditions such as cataract and glaucoma and age-related macular degeneration. Research suggests that some vitamin and mineral supplements may help protect against or slow the development of these conditions. In this video, I am going to tell you about the vitamins and minerals essential for good eye health and how people can aid them to their diet. So number one is vitamin A and beta carotene. Guys, vitamin A is essential for good vision. It is component of the protein rhodopsin, which allows the eye to see in low light conditions. According to the American Academy of Ophthalmology, a deficiency in vitamin A can lead to night blindness. Vitamin A also supports the function of the cornea, which is the protective outer layer of the eye. A person who is deficient in vitamin A may find their eyes produce too little moisture to stay lubricated. Beta carotene is the primary source of vitamin A in the human diet. Beta carotene is a type of plant pigment called a carotenoid that exists in many colorful fruits and vegetables. When a person consumes carotenoids, their body converts the pigments into vitamin A. Now let's talk about foods for vitamin A. People can add vitamin A into their diet by eating the following foods: sweet potatoes, carrots, red pepper, pumpkin, and a lot more. Second vitamin we have got is vitamin E. Alpha tocopherol is a form of vitamin E that has particularly powerful antioxidant properties. Antioxidants help fight free radicals which damage tissues throughout the body. Sometimes free radicals may damage proteins within the eye. This damage can result in the development of cloudy areas, which is cataracts on the lens of the eye. A 2015 meta-analysis concluded that a high intake of vitamin E, whether through the diet or supplementation, may reduce the risk of developing cataracts. Now let's talk about foods for vitamin E. Foods high in vitamin E include almonds, sunflower seeds, peanuts, soya bean, corns, etc. On number third, we have got vitamin C. Vitamin C plays an important role in the eye itself, protecting against UV light damage. While the concentration of vitamin C in the eyes lessens with age, diet and supplementation can counteract this. Vitamin C also helps protect against oxidative damage. Oxidative damage is a key factor in two of the most common age-related cataracts, cortical and nuclear cataracts. I am not gonna go in tons of details of these, what are the cortical and nuclear cataracts. You don't have to remember this. Cortical cataracts develop on the edges of the lens, while nuclear cataracts occur deep in the center. You do not want to remember this either. So where do you actually get vitamin C from? So here are the foods like oranges, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, blackberries, etc. Here are the other nutrients for eye health as well. Research suggests that the following nutrients, which I am going to tell you within a minute, are also beneficial for the eyes. These includes lutein and zeaxanthin. Lutein and zeaxanthin are carotenoids that exist in high quantities in green leafy vegetables. They are also present in the lens and retina of the eyes. As antioxidants, lutein and zeaxanthin may help reduce oxidative damage in the retina. Research in 2017 suggests that taking approximately 6 milligrams per day of lutein and zeaxanthin may lower a person's risk of developing age-related macular degeneration. An intake of 0.1 to 1 milligrams per day may also lower the risk of glaucoma. Sources of lutein and zeaxanthin are egg yolks, corn, broccoli, lettuce, etc. Let's talk about zinc. Zinc is a mineral that helps maintain the health of retina, cell membrane and protein structure of the eye. Zinc allows vitamin A to travel from the liver all the way to the retina to produce melanin. Melanin is a pigment that protects the eyes from UV light. Zinc supplementation may help people who have age-related macular degeneration or are at risk of developing the condition. Sources of zinc includes seafood such as oysters, crab, lobster, beans, nuts, pumpkin seeds, etc. A healthy, balanced diet can help promote good eye health and protect a person's vision. A varied diet rich in nutritionally dense foods can often provide adequate amounts of all vitamins and minerals. However, some people may require additional supplementations to reach certain nutritional targets if their diet cannot provide this. In some cases, taking supplements may lead to side effects, so it is important for people to speak with a doctor before making large dietary changes. For example, high dosage of zinc can affect how the body absorbs copper. So guys, I hope you love this video. Hit the like button, comment in the comment section down below, and suggest me any topic to make video on. And do not forget to subscribe for more related content like this. Thank you so much.